Welcome everyone back to Star My Takeaway. Today we're at Papa John's and it's in Sheffield. So you may think Papa John's is all about pizzas. Not just that. Look what we got here. I mean $6.99 for Piri, what do you call them? Poppers.
That's it there, Piri Poppers, $6.99.
There's how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 poppers, $6.99.
Not too bad, and we got the
How
buffalo
do they
sauce.
taste, Dev?
We got the buffalo sauce here as well. Let's just try it like this.
Can you try it like that first? What's it like inside? Let's just have a look. Yeah.
Let's say. It's actually quite nice, you know. I mean, I would say the chicken inside is a bit hard, but the taste, the batter outside, pretty decent. Let's just get stuck into the buffalo sauce. Oh,
Get it done, kid.
Give it a bath. Oh, it's actually not that spicy. It's not that spicy. It's just a bit of a sharpness taste to it.
So the Papa John's that we're at today is on Prince of Wales Road in Sheffield.
I mean, they are good for pizzas. Like you can see, look at this.
Yeah, and they've got buy one, get one free offer as well. Got plenty of offers on the app, that's what they've been saying.
Really, really nice.
So they do the plain poppers as well, and they do the Piri Poppers.
As you can tell, I am enjoying it because this is my third one already. Really, really nice.
The sauce is nice, Dev?
Yeah.
You've got a choice, everyone, from like garlic dip as well and barbecue dips as well.
Really nice. I think we should go to the store later. So for me, Papa John's in Sheffield, it's got to be it's quite hard actually. 8.5 star rating. Pretty decent, you know. Right guys, that's the end of the video for me today. So until next time everyone, bring a bit of passion to your videos. Bring a bit of passion to all the food reviews out there. So until next time everyone, see ya.